You have probably noticed a 925 sterling silver chain costs more than a stainless steel chain, sometimes a lot more. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly where that price difference comes from, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide for yourself whether it is worth it. What's up guys, this is Dennis with Luke Zion Jewelry. I have been selling Italian 925 sterling silver chains since 2014. Today, we're going to talk about money, and I want you to understand exactly what you're paying for when you buy either metal, because once you see the price difference broken down, the decision gets a lot easier. The first and biggest reason 925 sterling silver costs more is simple. Silver is a precious metal. It trades on the world market every single day, just like gold. The raw material in your chain has real value before anyone ever shapes it into links. Stainless steel is an industrial alloy. It is one of the most common manufactured materials on the planet. It is in sinks, appliances, and construction sites all over the world. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it means the raw material in stainless steel chain costs us very little. So when you buy a stainless steel chain, you are paying for the shape of the chain. When you buy a 925 sterling silver chain, you are paying for the shape plus the metal itself. And that value stays in the chain for as long as you own it. The second thing you are paying for is a guarantee. 925 sterling silver comes with a purity standard that has been in place for centuries. That 925 stamp means the chain is 92.5% pure silver, and that chain can be verified. You can take your chain to any jeweler anywhere and they can confirm exactly what you're holding. The stamp is a promise and the metal backs it up. Now, I want to be accurate here because stainless steel jewelry does get a stamp too. You see the markings like 316L or 304 on stainless steel pieces, and those are real markings and they tell you the grade of steel, which mostly means how well it resists corrosion. It is a grade stamp. It is not a purity standard. 316L on a $30 chain and 316L on a $300 chain means the exact same thing. The stamp tells you what type of steel it is because there is no value in the metal to certify. The 925 stamp is a different category entirely. It is a purity claim on a precious metal. It is regulated and it certifies real value in the material itself. So part of the price of 925 sterling silver is accountability. You are buying something that can be checked, tested, and confirmed by a professional jeweler. And one more thing on this, because it matters just as much as the stamp, buy from a company with a strong reputation selling real 925 sterling silver. A stamp only means something when the company behind it stands behind it. Look at how long they have been in business, look at their reviews. The stamp and the reputation together are what protects you. Now, let's talk about something almost no one factors into the price. What happens years after you buy 925 sterling silver? 925 sterling silver is a working metal. If your chain breaks, a jeweler can solder it. If it needs resizing, a jeweler can resize it. If it loses its shine after years of wear, it can be polished back to new. A quality 925 sterling silver chain can be brought back to life again and again for decades. Now, stainless steel is so hard that most jewelers will not work on it. If a stainless steel chain breaks, in most cases, you're not repairing it, you're replacing it. Now, say a stainless steel chain costs $30 and a quality 925 sterling silver chain costs more upfront. If a stainless steel chain breaks or wears out and gets replaced every couple years, then those purchases begin to stack up. Meanwhile, the 925 sterling silver chain is still on your neck, still repairable, and still holds value in the metal itself. When you think in cost per year of ownership instead of the price tag on day one, the gap between those two metals gets a lot smaller. Now, before we wrap up, I need to give you a warning because this is where guys get burned. Everything I just explained only works in one direction. 925 sterling silver is worth more than stainless steel, but there's brands out there charging premium prices for stainless steel pieces. You will also see gold-colored stainless steel chains sold at higher prices. A lot of those are gold-plated stainless steel, which is a thin layer of gold coating a steel base, not solid gold and not solid silver. The marketing looks premium, the price looks premium, but the metal underneath is still stainless steel. So here's the simplest way to protect yourself before buying. Ask one direct question. Is this solid 925 sterling silver or solid gold? If the answer is yes, you're buying a precious metal with real value. If the brand cannot give you a straight answer or the piece is only coated, then you know exactly what you're paying for. And to be clear, there's nothing wrong with buying a stainless steel chain. Plenty of people wear stainless steel every day with no issues at all. The point is not that stainless steel is bad. The point is knowing what you're actually paying for. So a premium price always matches a premium metal. So here is my honest answer on whether 925 sterling silver is worth the higher price. You are paying for a precious metal with real market value. You are paying for a purity standard, and you're paying for a chain that can be repaired, restored, and worn for decades instead of replaced every couple years. So when you add all that up, you are not paying more for the same thing. You are paying more because you're getting more, and most of the value stays with the chain as long as you own it. That is exactly why I built Luxon Jewelry on Italian 925 sterling silver from day one. Every chain we sell is solid sterling silver 925. And so guys, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.